more fire. Foul.
Obise obema ne ho ayehu ahunu na kwatwi amansa oboa ono no nipa ne ye na ma ye dimu no aye bigani sa ye buso ye obesa ya ye bi Okatakyie Afrifa mesa tisire kwabna fo a odi ne mama sembo okunyiri kofo bekwan a wako adi mpontonchi ni anadwoma na semso sakati mpobi a wopo no ana woso mebe tekrema kora o matekrema pen atapiti bia kontonchi amframa jampansudu entumi tutu mesa brampa otu an sambo tabu Afutuo ajodupon kwame ato apoma jatabruwa na chiame poma okantinka kantanka okokroko okodufue sentrefo mu bomofo nanti amra okuma bopon di ame Okatakyie Afrifa mesa asas jaja na tie dia
apologize. In the end, I don't care whether you love me or you hate me, just as long as I win. The deck is stacked. The rules are rigged. Welcome to the death of the age of reason. There is no right or wrong. Not anymore. There's only being in. Apologize. In the end, I don't care whether you love me or you hate me, just as long as I win.
Deck is stacked. The rules are rigged. Welcome to the death of the age of reason. There is no right or wrong. Not anymore. There's only being in. And then being out.
Okay, Danny Midasi. There is no right or wrong in this age. There is only being in and being out.
Precisely.
Because it looks as though and then all can be actually nipa. Or munya ya or madrinia. Or monsa. And we understand the age of a year info war.
Exactly.
Information war.
Told them.
And we are not going to allow anybody to dwindle us, to let us break, to let us shiver by using information or disinformation. We will do everything within our power
Precisely so.
to be ahead of them.
Exactly.
And we understand the game.
Pound for pound.
We won't allow any clown with Wi-Fi, crying in exile, to dictate the pace at which we will do things.
More fire. Told them.
More fire.
Baby, I take no delight in doing the things I'm doing,
Precisely.
but it must be done.
Exactly.
So I think about it this way. Says Nemetiai, may a leader of a nation. Na amount for ebe kidnapping me ba. Se memfa atomic bomb and show monsa. Na omon say o my Ghana nyina. Yes, on be me ba. Between me ba no and the larger society. Which one should I choose?
More fire.
Sante yini se tutu. Obe kodi nchira ko. Konfo ka kire ne se. Onku ne yire. Onfa ne yire toma. Ense tu ho. Sante yini ntam kase ya ye ka se me ka sante yini ntam kase ya. E ho ase kire ni.
Precisely.
And for the greater good of a year sante mine.
Told them.
Oku ne yire.
Exactly so.
More fire.
And here for the greater good.
Precisely.
We will do what we are doing.
More fire.
Not because we want to go after anybody for the fun and the sake of it. Minya call free. Penimo biho. Dr. Tuahine.
Our year, Dr. ATM. In fact, funny enough, or doctor, proper doctor. Proper doctor.
Precisely.
But because Nebano, are you thinking, don't say me born dear doctor, no? Okay, so I won't even add doctor because it's so disrespecting to those who have actually acquired the title doctor with dignity and respect. I'm not going to add any doctor to this nonsense. So, Dr. Tuahine, Efreme, Osreme say, Niane and Sansa Dali Papa.
Now, this thing is having a toll on the family.